Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Google Gemini AI app on Windows PC. All right, so let's begin with the video. To use Google Gemini on a Windows PC, there isn't actually a traditional downloadable app like regular software. Instead, Gemini works primarily as a web app. And what you're doing is installing it as a shortcut so it behaves like an app on your desktop. Start by opening your browser, Chrome works best, and go to the official Gemini site. Just search Google Gemini and open the official Google page. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account, since Gemini requires that to work properly. Once you're on the Gemini page, look at the top right corner of Chrome and click the three-dot menu. From there, go to Cast, Save, and Share option, and then find the option Install Page as App. Click it, then confirm by pressing Install. This will add Gemini to your system like an app. After installation, you can open Gemini from your Start menu, Desktop shortcut, or Apps list. It will launch in its own window, separate from your browser, making it feel like a standalone application. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download Google Gemini AI app on Windows PC. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.